Activities at Camp Betty Perot. Each day there are 5 activity periods between breakfast and dinner. Lots of time for your camper to try new things and work together with her Girl Scout sisters. All campers will visit the barn during one of those periods each day. Plenty of time with our horses. Other activities include target sports, the adventure course, and arts and crafts. As our youngest campers, those are campers up to 4th grade, are being introduced to community life outdoors, their activity schedules are pre-planned and structured to allow them to try a variety of activities with their unit group each day. And we know that girls entering 5th grade and up are ready for additional independence and autonomy at camp. They know what they like, and they're ready to help create the week at camp that's right for them. They get to select their own activities at camp, which means they can spend more time on the things that interest them most. And they have a chance to go to activities with friends in other age groups. Campers sign up for activities for the first half of the week, test it out, see how it feels, and then later they sign up for activities for the second half of the week. So they're not locked in if they want to try something new. Summer 2023 is the first year for rising 5th graders to have this type of flexibility, so be sure to share this info with your camper and get them excited for their year at Raccoon Ridge. More about Raccoon Ridge in another video.